Hey Divi Nation, and thanks for joining us for another installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give you a brand new Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new Essential Oils Layout Pack we think you're going to love. So go ahead and check it out. The Essential Oils Layout Pack is a perfect starter pack for any essential oils online store or website. The minimal design of each layout invokes purity and originality while keeping the product line at the forefront. You can take advantage of the shop page to sell all those products or use the recipe pages to share quality recipes with your customers. And that's just the start. So take it for a spin today and it will help you get your new Essential Oils website up and running in no time. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new Essential Oils layout pack on your own website. All right, so before you can start adding these pre-made layouts to your website using the Divi Builder, you must first make sure to authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription if you haven't already. To do that, go over to Divi Theme Options. Go ahead and click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key, and make sure to save those changes. And after that, you will have access to all of our pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder without any problems. After that, you're ready for the next step, which is to start creating all of your pages for your website and then adding each of those corresponding pre-made layouts to those pages. Let's get started by going to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout. This will pull up the Load from Library pop-up. And from this, you will want to find the new Essential Oils Layout Pack and select it. You'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack on the right here. Go ahead and select the one that you want. For example, we want the home page, so I'll select that one, and then click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to save or publish the page. And after that, you want to continue the same process to create the rest of the pages that you have to create, and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages as well. And once all of your pages have been added with each of those corresponding pre-made layouts added to each one, you're ready for the next step, which is to add a primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your new menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and then add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize the content however you like. And then don't forget to set the display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. And once the menu has been created, you're ready for the final step, which is to add a static homepage to your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select the static page. And then for the homepage, go ahead and select that homepage with that corresponding homepage pre-made layout, and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Essential Oils Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for joining us. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and we sure do hope that you love this new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And make sure you click to get those notifications. That way we can let you know each and every time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.